morning to you all, my dear children. I hope you are all fine and safe in your home, isn't it? Okay, good. Now we can continue the math revision. Okay? Now we are going to revise the chapters playing with numbers and fractions. Okay? Chapter 4 playing with numbers and chapter 5 fractions. First one, playing with numbers. Okay? We have types of numbers. Composite numbers, prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Composite numbers, prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Already we are learned about these numbers, isn't it? Okay. Can you say what is composite number? Composite number means more than 2 factors, isn't it? Suppose we can write what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 3 table. 4 is not in 3 table, so we can't write 3. Then 4, isn't it? These are the factors of 4. More than 2 factor, isn't it? More than 2 factors. So we can say 4 is a composite number. Okay. Now 15. 15 is a composite number. Here, what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Isn't it? These are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. More than 2 factors. So we can say 15 also composite number. Okay. Now, next one, prime numbers. What is prime number? Exactly 2 factors. Isn't it? Exactly 2 factor means that numbers are prime number. What are the prime numbers? Can you say? 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13, etc. Isn't it? Now, what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Prime number means factors 1 and that number itself. Factors of 2 is 1 and the number itself. Isn't it? 2. So, we can say exactly 2 factors. That factor is 1 and that number itself. So, we can say 2 is a prime number. Then 3 also. 3, what are the factors? 1 and 3. Then 5, what are the factors? 1 and 5. Then 7, what are the factors? 1 and 7. 11, what are the factors? 1 and 11. Then 13 also 1 and 13. 1 and that number itself. Only 2 factors. Exactly 2 factors. So, these numbers are called prime numbers. Okay. Then, third one, co-prime numbers. What is co-prime numbers? If you take any 2 numbers, that is 2 and 5. Can you say 2 and 5 is a co-prime number? Co-prime number means that 2 numbers we have, first we can write the factors 1 and 2. Then factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Factors of 5 is 1 comma 5. Now, only 1 as a common factor of these 2 numbers. What are the common factors? Only 1. 1 as a common factor. So, we can say 2 and 3, 2 and 5 are co-prime. Okay, that is prime number or composite number. If you take any 2 composite number, 4 and 9. 4 and 9 is a co-prime. Now, we can write the factors. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. Then what are the factors of 9? 1, 3, then 9. Now here what are the common factors? Only 1. Only 1 as a common factors for 4 and 9. So we can say 4 and 9 are co-prime. Okay. Only 1 as a common factor means that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Now clear about these numbers. What is composite number? More than 2 factor. What is prime number? Exactly 2 factors. What is co-prime number? Any 2 number we can take that factors. Factors only 1 as a common factor means. Only 1 as a common factor means that number is co-prime number. Okay. Now test for divisibility. Test for divisibility. Divisible by 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Isn't it? Now here divisible by 2 means, any one number is divisible by 2 means that unit place of this number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 means that number is divisible by 2. For example, 478. Unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Unit place means ones place. Unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 means this number is divisible by 2. Listen here, here ones place is 8. Unit place we have 8. So we can say 478 is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, divisible by 3 means sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Now we can add that digits. For example, for 381. This number is divisible by 3 or not? Can you check? Sum of the digit. Now we can add the digit. 3 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12. Now we can say that's 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So we can say 381 also divisible by 3. Clear? Sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3 means that number is divisible by 3. Clear? Divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. Now divisible by 4 means last 2 digit is divisible by 4. For example, 6812. Listen here, last 2 digit means 12. These 2 digits divisible by 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. 12 is divisible by 4. So we can say 6812 also divisible by 4. Okay. Now we can check 6812 divisible by 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 balance, then 8. Now 5 4s are 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. Isn't it? Now here 0. Then next 1. This 1 is less than 4. So we can add 1 0 here. Then next digit is 12. 3 4s are 12. Did you get remainder 0? Yes. So we can say 6812 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now divisible by 5 means unit place is either 0 or 5. For example, 6785, 805. Like this we have the number unit place, ones place. Unit place is either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. Here unit place is 0. Here unit place 5. Here unit place 5. So these numbers are divisible by 5. Okay. Then the number is divisible by 2 as well as 6. Any one number is divisible by 6 means the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Divisible by 2 means, for example, we can say 381. That same number I take here. Now listen, the number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. If that number is divisible by 2 means that unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But here 1. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Suppose 6812. This number we can take here. Now listen, the number is divisible by 2. Yes, here unit place 2. So we can say this is divisible by 2. Now divisible by 3 means sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. We can add the digits. 6 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 8, 14. Plus 1, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So we can say this is not divisible by 6. Okay. Suppose 36 is divisible by 6 or not. Now listen. Here ones place 6. Isn't it? So we can say this is divisible by 2. Now we can add these two numbers. We can add 3 plus 6 equal to 18. Now here 6 3s are 18. 36 is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3 also. So we can say this 36 is divisible by 6. Okay. Now divisible by 7 means double the last digit. Okay, double the last digit. Now we can take 49. For example, divisible by 7 means 49 we can take. Now listen here. First digit double the last digit. This is the last digit. Now we can double it. Double means 9 plus 9, 18. Double the last digit. Now double the last digit. Subtract this number from the remaining digit. Subtract the number from the remaining digit. Remaining digit is 4. So 18 minus 4 equal to 14. Now we can say 7 tables. 7 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 14 is divisible by 7. So this number 49 also divisible by 7. Okay. First we want to double that last digit. Then we can subtract from the remaining digit. We'll get one number that is equal 0 or divisible by 7 means that is equal 0 or divisible by 7 means that number is divisible by 7. Okay. Then last 3 digit is divisible by 8 means that number is divisible by 8. Okay. Last 3 digit is divisible by 8. 8240. Now we can take 240. 240 is divisible by 8 means 8 3s are 24, 0, 0. Isn't it? 8 into 30, 240. So this last 3 digit is divisible by 8 means this 8240 also divisible by 8. Okay. Now sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9 means that number is divisible by 9. For example, 270. Now we can add this 3 digit. 2 plus 7 plus 0 equal to 9. Isn't it? 9 is divisible by 9. So we can say 270 also divisible by 9. Okay. Now digits at the unit place is 0. Unit place is 0. 4080. 4,800, then 1,000, then 1,010, like this. This unit place 0 means unit place, digits at the unit place is 0 means that number is divisible by 10. Unit place 0 means that number is divisible by 10. Okay, clear? Factorization method. Prime factorization method. Now here 4,410. 4,410. We can use this DAO method. This is the prime factorization method. Okay. Now we can use here ones place is 0. So we can say this number is divisible by 2. So we can take 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. 1 is less than 2. So we can write 0. We can take together 10. 5 2s are 10. Then here ones place is 5, isn't it? Ones place is 5. So we can't take this to table because this is not divisible by 2. Now we can try 3 table. Now here 7 3s are 21. 1 balance 10. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 balance 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Again 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 1 balance 13. 4 3s are 12. 1 balance 15. 5 3s are 15. Now here 8 3s are 24 but this 5 is not in 3 table. So we can write 5 table. Use 5 table. 4 5s are 20. 4 balance 45. 9 5s are 45. Then 49. is in 7 table. 7 sevens are 49. Now what are the prime factors of 4410? 4410 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7. This is the prime factorization method. Okay. Highest common factor or HCF. We have two methods. First one prime factorization method. Second one long division method. Okay. Using these two methods and find the HCF of 840 and 1260 and 2100. Okay. Now we can use the prime factorization method. Okay. Now we can find the factors, prime factors of 840 using 2 table. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0. Then 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 0. Again 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 1 is less than 2, so 0. We can take together 10, 5 2s are 10. Then 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 1 balance 15, 5 3s are 15. We can check this is divisible by 3. If that is divisible by 3 means you can use 3 table. Okay. Now first 2, then 3. Then what are the prime numbers? That only we can use because this is the prime factorization method. Okay. Now here 5 table, 7 5s are 35, 7 table 1. Then 1260. 2 table, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 0. 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 0. We can take together 15, 5 3s are 15. 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Then 5 table, 7, 7 table 1. Then 2100. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 0, 5 2s are 10, 0. Isn't it? 1 2 is 2. 1 is less than 2, so we can put 0. Now we can take together 5 2s are 10, 0. Then 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 1 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 1 balance, 5 2s are 10. Now we can use 3 table, 1 3 is 3, yes. 1 3 is 3, 2 balance, 21. 7 3s are 21, again 1 balance. 5 3s are 15. Now 3 table is not possible. It's 1 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So we can use 5 table. 3 5s are 15. 2 balance. 5 5s are 25. Then 7 5s are again 5 table. 7 5s are 35. 7 table 1. Okay. Now we can write the prime factors of 840 equal to, what are the prime factors? 3 times 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5 into 7. Then 1260 equal to 2 2 times, then 3 2 times, 5 into 7. Then 2100 equal to 2 2 times, then 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Now we can write what are the common factors. What is the common factor? HCF equal to. Now we can product of common factors. We can find the common factors. 2 is common. 2 again 2 is common. Then 3 common, isn't it? Yes, 3 is common. Then 5 common. Then 7 also common. Isn't it? So we can multiply the common factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 into 7. 0. 6 7s are 42. So 420 is the HCF of 840, 1260 and 2100. What is the HCF? 420. The same question we can use long division method. Okay. Now we can step 1. We can find the HCF of, what are the numbers? 840. First two numbers we can take. 840 and 1260. First we can find the HCF of 840. First two numbers. Okay. 840 and 1260. Now which is the big number? That is the dividend. Okay. That is the dividend. Here 840 is the divisor. Here only one time 840. Now 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 12 minus 8 is 4. 420. Isn't it? Now again we can take this. Remainder is divisor. Divisor is dividend. Isn't it? 840. Now 420. 2 times means into 2. 0, 4, 4 to 840, isn't it? So 2 times 840. We'll get remainder 0. So what is the HCF of 840 and 1260? This 420. Okay. So therefore HCF of 840 and 1260 is equal to 420. Then next step. Find the HCF of 420 and the third number 2100. 420 and 2100. Which is the big number? 2100. That is the dividend. 420 is divisor. Now 420. How many times? 420. 5 times means 5 into 0, 5 to 10, 1 balance, 4 5 are 20 plus 1, yes. 5 times 2100. So, remainder 0. So, what's the answer? HCF of 840, 1260 and 2100 is equal to HCF is equal to 420. Did you get that same answer? We are using two methods, isn't it? Two methods. If you can use any one method. Okay. Suppose they are asking that question using prime factorization method and the HCF means you can use the prime factorization method. Otherwise, long division method they are asking means use long division method. Okay. Simply they are asking find the HCF of 840. 1260 means you can use any one method. That is your choice. Clear? Lowest common multiple. That is LCM. Okay. LCM also we can find in two methods. Prime factorization method and common division method. Okay. Now we can use the prime factorization method first. Find the LCM of 140 and 175. Now we can use the prime factorization method. 140, 2 table, 7 2s are 14, 0, again 2 table, 3 2s are 6, then balance 1, 5, 10, 5 2s are 10. Then 5 table, 7 5s are 35, 7 table, 1. Then 175, then we can use 5 table, 3 5s are 15, 2 balance, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 table, 7 5s are 35, 7 table, 1 time. Okay. Now we can write the prime factors of 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Then 175 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7. Now here what are the common factors? 5 and 7. Isn't it? 5 and 7. What's the difference for HCF and LCM? HCF means product of the common factors. But LCM means product of the common factors into product of the factors are not common. Okay, product of the factors are not common. Okay, now we can write therefore LCM is equal to, first we can multiply the common factors 5 into 7. Okay, then factors are not common. What are the factors are not common? 2 into 2 into 5. Then we can multiply 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, now 5 7s are 35 into 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now we can multiply 35 into 20. 35 into 20, 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 balance, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So, what is the LCM? 700. What is the LCM of 140 and 175? 700. Okay, this is the prime factorization method. Then, common division method means, now 140 and 175 is ranked in same common box, isn't it? Okay. Now here we can write, use 2 table because this is divisible by 2. 7 2s are 14, 0. But this number is not divisible by 2. So we can write that same number down. Okay. Now again 2 table because this is divisible by 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 balance, isn't it? 10. 5 2s are 10. Then 175 is not divisible by 2. Now listen here, we can use 5 table. These two numbers are divisible by 5. Now 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15, 2 balance 25, 5 5s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Then again 5 table, 7 is not in 5 table, so we can write that same number. Then here 7 5s are 35. Then 7 table, 1 1. Okay, this is the common division method. Now we can write the LCM of, therefore the LCM of 140 and 175 equal to, now we can write multiply the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 into 5, 100. 100 into 7, 700, isn't it? 700. So that answer is 700. What is the LCM of 140 and 175? 700. Clear? Prime factorization method and common division method for LCM. Okay. Now, relationship between HCF and LCM. Relationship between HCF and LCM. Product of two given numbers. Any two given numbers equal to HCF into LCM. HCF of that two numbers and LCM of that two numbers. Okay. This is the formula. Then we want to find any one number. One number means HCF into LCM by other number. Okay. Now one example. The LCM of two co-prime numbers. Any two number is co-prime number means that there have only one as a common factor. Isn't it? Only one as a common factor. Only one common factor means that is HCF. Any two co-prime number. HCF of any two co-prime number is equal to 1. HCF of any two co-prime number is equal to 1. So we can write HCF of co-prime number. HCF of co-prime number equal to 1 because only one is a common, isn't it? The LCM of two co-prime number is 143. So LCM is equal to 143. If one of the number is 13, one of the number is 13. One of the number is 13. Find the other number. Isn't it? One of the number is 13 means find the other number. Therefore, find the other number. What is the formula? One number is equal to HCF into LCM by other number. Isn't it? Now we can take this is one number, this is another number. We want to find this number. Isn't it? This number. So we can use this HCF. Therefore, other number is equal to other number equal to HCF into LCM by one number. Isn't it? What is the HCF? 1. Isn't it? HCF of co-prime number is 1. Into LCM 143. By that one number is, one of the number is 30. So 143 by 30. 143 by 30. Now we can divide 143 divided by 30. 113 is 13, 1 balance. Now we can take this 3, bring down. Here 113 is 30. 0. So what is the other number? Other number is 11. Okay. Therefore, that other number is 11. 11 is the answer. We can use this formula. Okay. This is the relationship between HCF and LCM. Okay. Now, chapter 2, fractions. Okay. Types of fractions. First we can take equivalent fraction and simplest form. Okay. What is equivalent fraction? For example, 1 by 2 means, now 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. Any number we can multiply by numerator and denominator. Okay. Here multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator also multiply by 2. Now here 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then 1 by 2 into 5. 5. In one number you can multiply in the numerator and the denominator. But same number we can multiply by denominator and the numerator. Okay. Now here 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5, 10. Okay. Multiply by 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So we get 5 by 10. So what are the equivalent fractions? 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 5 by 10. These are the equivalent fractions. Okay, now we can 1 by 2 into 11 means also no problem. Multiply by 11 in the numerator and the denominator. So 1 into 11, 11. 2 into 11, 22. So 11 by 22 also equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. Okay, so these fractions are equivalent fractions. Now, what is simplest form? Simplest form means we can divide it by the common factors. Now here 30. Now we can use prime factorization method. 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. Then 3 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 table 1. Then 36. Isn't it? 36. 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. 2 table. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 table 1. Now what is the common factor here? Here 30 means 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. 36 means 2 into 3 into 3. What are the common factor? 2 and 3. This 2 and 3, isn't it? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Isn't it? So we can divide it by 6 in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so divided by 6 in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 5 6 are 30. Now 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. What is the simplest form of 30 by 36? Is 5 by 6 is the simplest form. Okay, 5 by 6 is the simplest form. Clear what is the simplest form? We can divide it by the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Now, next types of fractions means proper fraction, isn't it? Proper fraction. Proper fraction, then improper fraction, then like fraction, then unlike fraction, then mixed fraction. Isn't it? Mixed fraction. Do you know what is proper fraction? Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 2 by 7. Numerator is less than the denominator means these fractions are called proper fraction. Then improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So these fractions are called improper fraction. Okay. Then like fraction means 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 7 by 2, 10 by 2, like this. This denominator, same denominator. Here denominators are same. So these fractions are called like fractions. Okay. Unlike fractions means different denominator. 4 by 3, 10 by 7, 5 by 6, etc. Here different denominator. So we can say these fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay. Now mixed fraction means we have one whole number, then one proper fractions. Okay, 2 by 7. Okay, one whole number with the proper fraction means that is called mixed fraction. Now here we can convert into improper fraction. 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 by 7. 9 by 7 is a improper fraction. Mixed fraction means one whole, that with one proper fraction. Now we can convert into improper fraction. Isn't it? We will get one improper fraction. These fractions are called mixed fraction. Now clear? Proper, what is proper fraction? Then improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction and mixed fraction. Okay? Now the 4 operations on fractions: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First one, add 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Listen here, same denominator means we can add the numerator, isn't it? Now here, same denominator we can write the commonly one time. 4, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 4. Now 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4. 1 by 1 is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, then second one, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Different denominator. So we can take the LCM. LCM of 4, 5, 10 equal to 4, 5, 10. Common division method. 2 2s are 4, 5, 5 2s are 10. 2 table 1, 5, 5. Again 5 table 1, 1, 1. Isn't it? 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. What is the LCM? 20. Now we can take 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 5, 5. 4 divided by 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So we can multiply by 5 in the numerator and the denominator. So 5 by 20. Then 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now what is the denominator? 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So we can multiply by 4 in the numerator and the denominator. So 4 3s are 12. 5 4s are 20. Then 7 by 10. 7 by 10. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So we can multiply by 2 in the numerator and the denominator. 7 2s are 14 by 10 2s are 20. Now we can add 5 by 20 plus 12 by 20 plus 14 by 20 is equal to 5 plus 12 plus 14 by 20 equal to 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 14, 17 plus 14, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 balance, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 31 by 20, 31 by 20. This is the improper fraction. So we can divide it 31 by 20, 1 time 20, 11 balance. Now we can write in mixed fraction. Otherwise this is also correct. We can stop here also. Otherwise we can convert into mixed fraction. Now here 1 11 by 20 is the answer. 1 11 by 20 is the answer. Okay. Now subtract 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Same denominator. So we can take here 7. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 7 is the answer. Because here same denominator, so we can write easily. Then second one, 1 11 by 12 minus 1 3 by 9. This is mixed fraction. So we can convert into improper fraction first. 1 into 12, 12. 12 plus 11. 12 plus 11 is equal to 23, isn't it? 23 by 12. Minus 1 into 9, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 by 9. Now we can take the LCM, isn't it? LCM of 12, 9 equal to 12 and 9. LCM, 2 table 6 2s are 12, 9. Again 2 table 3 2s are 6, 9. Then 3 table 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 1. Now here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. What is the LCM? 36. Now here we can change the denominator 36. Now 12 divided by 36 equal to 3. So we can multiply 3 in the numerator and the denominator minus 12 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. So we can multiply by 4 in the numerator and the denominator equal to 23 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 69 divided by 12 3s are 36 minus 12 into 4, 48 divided by 36. We have same denominator. So we can write 36, 69 minus 48 equal to 69 minus 48. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 21 by 36. 21 by 36 we can write in simplest form, isn't it? 21. What is the common factor? 3 table, 7 3s are 21. 7 1. Then what is the common factor of 36? 36. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Then 2 table, 9 2s are 18. 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 1. What is the common factor of 21? 21 equal to, yes, 21 equal to 3 into 7. Isn't it? 3 into 7. Then 36 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. What are the common factor? 3 and 3 is common. Isn't it? 3 and 3 is common. So we can divide it by 3. Divided by 3. Now the 21 divided by 3 is 7. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So this answer is 7 by 12. Okay. Next one, multiplication and division. Okay. Multiplication. Example, 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Now we can write the numerator 2 into 1, denominator 3 into 2. Isn't it? Now here numerator 2, denominator also 2. We can cancel it here. Remaining here 1 divided by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now second one, this is mixed fraction. So we can convert into improper fraction. 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. By 5 into 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. By 2 into 5 means 5 by 1. Isn't it? Into 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. By 7. Now we can write this numerator 8 into 7 into 5 into 10. Isn't it? 8 into 7 into 5 into 10. Divided by denominator 5 into 2 into 1 into 7. Now what are the common number? Here 7, 7. 5, 5. Isn't it? Now here use 2 table and cut this for 8 or 10. Because here 8 and 10 and 2 is in 2 table. 8 and 2 also 2 table. So we can use 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Isn't it? 4 2s are 8. Now what are the numerator? 4 into 10. 4 into 10 divided by 10, denominator all 1. So 40 by 1. 40 by 1 means that answer is 40. Okay. This is multiplication. Then division. First one, 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Division means we can write the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal, do you know? Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Denominator is in the numerator is in the denominator. Okay, this is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, now we can use the reciprocal. Okay, here division 2 by 3. 2 by 3, first fraction we can write the same. Now we can change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. Now we can write the second fraction in the reciprocal. Okay, so 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now we can write the numerator 2 into 3 divided by denominator 3 into 2. Now we can cut 3 and 3, then 2 and 2. So here 1, isn't it? 1. 1 into 1, 1. Here 1 into 1, 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 is the answer. Then second one, 4 by 5. Now we can change the division symbol in multiplication symbol. Now we can write the second fraction in the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5. So 4 into 4 in the numerator, then 5 into 5 in the denominator. Isn't it? Here 4 and 5. Here no common numbers and this 4 and 5 is not in that same table. So we can multiply and write. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. That's all. Okay. Then 1 by 5 divided by 6. 6 means 6 by 1. Isn't it? Equal to 1 by 5. This division symbol we can convert into multiplication symbol. Next second fraction is writing reciprocal of the second fraction. 6 by 1 means 1 by 6. Equal to numerator 1 into 1. Denominator 5 into 6. Equal to 1 into 1, 1. 5 6 are 30. So this answer is 1 by 30. Okay. Okay students, you have more exercise problems in your maths book. Just you revise the lessons thoroughly and do the problems in your rough note. Okay. Then write the exam well. Okay. Thank you.